Hello, I hope you're well and enjoying the sunshine. Today, with Easter coming up next weekend, I thought I'd show you how to make an Easter bonnet with your little ones. It's nice and easy to make. Here's one that I've made earlier in true Blue Peter style. And so I thought I'd show you how to make one. All you need to make this is you need some paper, you need glue, sellotape, scissors, and some felt tip pens. So what you do is you start off by cutting 2 strips of paper. Now I've got large bits of paper here that I've had in my cupboard. If you haven't got paper that's large enough, you can just sellotape lots of smaller A4 bits of paper together until you've got it the length you need. What I've done is I've put 2 bits together here so that I can cut 2 equal widths. And I'm cutting them probably about 4 centimetres apart. All the way along. These are going to be the top of your Easter bonnet, the top of your hat, and these are the bits that you're going to be able to decorate. So there you are. So I've cut 2 strips of paper. Now what I now need is just 1 strip, and that's going to form the band of the hat, the bit that goes around the outside that you can attach lots of things to. So again, I'm going to cut again probably about 4 or 5 centimetres in width, and just cut along length there. Any paper you don't need, you can pop away and use another time. Then what you need to do is you need to measure the head that the hat's going to go onto, and make sure it's of the right length. There you are. And so I've made this is just about right. And I'm now just going to get a bit of sellotape and I'm just going to stick it together. So I've made a ring. So this is the base of the hat, and everything else can get attached to it. So there you are. So I've just stuck it together and I've made a ring. I'm now going to get the 2 pieces of paper that I've already cut. Now I think these are possibly going to be a bit too big for the hat that I've made at the moment. You can almost put it over the top of your head to measure how tall you want your hat to be. So I'm just going to cut a little bit off the end of there, and then I've got my 2 strips. What I need to do now is I'm going to glue these into a cross shape. I'm going to glue them into a cross using my glue here, where they meet in the middle. So either side of the cross, you have equal lengths of paper off the strip. So there you are. So I'm just going to glue that there so it makes a cross. Lovely. What you now do is you get your circle, your strip of paper that you did first of all. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sellotape each section to the part of the hat, to the circle that I've made to go around the hat. Now, you could use glue to do this, but it often doesn't glue doesn't dry very quickly. So I'm going to use sellotape just to attach the bits to the hat. So I'm going to start with 1 piece here, and I'm going to attach it on the inside. I don't know if you can see that, just on the inside of the circle that's going to go around the head. And then I'll take the opposite strip on the same strip and I'll attach it to the other side of the hat. There we are. So I'm going to attach it there to the other side of the hat there, and then I'll do the same with the other 2 bits. You're almost making a crown shape. So if you did want to make Easter bonnet and you wanted to make a crown for a king or a princess, then this would be exactly the same method you could make. So as you can see, I'm slowly making mine into the shape that I need for my Easter bonnet. There you are. If you wanted to, you could add some more strips here to close up the gaps, but I'm just going to make mine there. So there you are. So there's the base of my Easter bonnet. It fits quite nicely on there. And now it's time to decorate it. So what I've done to decorate it today is I've cut out already some bunnies, which I think would be nice to go around the outside of the hat. You can choose anything with an Easter theme, eggs, bunnies, baskets. Maybe if your children would like to draw pictures, they can glue them on. So there you are, I've got a bunny there. You could also decorate cut out shapes of eggs, and you could decorate those and put them around the outside as well. There you are. So you could also, I haven't got any string with me today, but what you could also do is you could hang some of your eggs or your bunnies in the shapes there by attaching them to the top of the hat. I've also on here I've also drawn on my hat, on my bonnet. So you could also use the felt tip pens to draw on your bonnet. And there you are, you have a nice bonnet, an Easter bonnet that your children can make, and we keep them busy. They could wear next weekend for Easter. I hope you found that useful. I hope it's a fun activity you might want to do with your children. And I hope you're well and you're staying safe. And I'll speak to you all very soon. Take care.